RITUCHARYA. In this video, we are going to be talking about RITUCHARYA as explained by Charaka Samhita and Ashtanga Hridaya. Ritu or seasons can be broadly divided into two types, Uttarayana and Dakshinayana. Uttarayana is the Adana Kala and Dakshinayana is the Visarga Kala. During Adana Kala, the body is comparatively weak and it involves seasons like Shishira, Vasanta and Grishma. During Visarga Kala, the body is comparatively stronger and it involves seasons like Varsha, Sharata and Hemanta. In Hemanta or early winters, the Agni is Uttama. That means we have a strong digestive power and we can digest anything. The ahara recommended during this time are Madhura Amla Lavana Rasa, Madira Shidu type of wine, wheat, black gram, sugarcane milk, freshly harvested rice and corn, etc. And the viharas to be followed during this time are Abhyanga, Murni Tahila, mild exercises and massages during the morning time. After Abhyanga, the body should be washed with kashaya decoction and the paste of kumkuma dharva should be applied after bath. The Samhita also says that one should be exposed to the fumes of agaru, but that's quite hard to follow with our current lady lifestyle, right? Anyway, let's talk about Shishira or late winters. The regimens to be followed during this time are pretty much the same as that of Hemanta, but we have to avoid tikta, kashaya and katu ahara. Now let's talk about Vasanta or spring season. Agni during this time is Madhyama, so the food intaken should be easily digestible. That is, Guru, Snikta, Amla, Madhura Ahara should be avoided. Yava, Goduma, Madhu, meat of Shasha, Sharbha, Madhvika type of wine can also be intaken, and of course mango juice. The vihara during this time to be followed is based on the fact that kapha is aggregated, so Vamana and Nasya is indicated. One should also avoid Divaswapna, and exercise and Udavartana will help reduce kapha. Lepa of Karpura, Chandana, Agaru and Kumkuma is also recommended. Now let's talk about the regimens to be followed during Grishma or summer season. The Agni during this time is very weak, so the ahara should be light and easily digestible. Drava, Snigdha, Madhura, Shita ahara is recommended. Alcohol usage should be limited. Avoid Lavana, Amla, Katu rasas. Jangama Desha Mamsa along with ghee, milk and chali is recommended. As for the viharas, we should avoid heavy exercise and long-term exposure to sunlight. Chandana lepa can be applied on the body, sleeping under moonlight and avoiding sexual intercourse. Now let's talk about Varsha or rainy season. The Agni during this time is also weak, so the ahara should be limited. Honey is recommended with food, Jangala Desha Mamsa, soups with lots of spices, easily digestible Amla Lavana Snigdha diet and wine. The viharas that can be followed during this time are again based on the fact that Vada is aggregated. So Asthapana Vasti is indicated, Divasapna should be avoided and any kind of exertion should not be done. Now let's talk about Sharat Ritu or autumn season. The Agni during this time is Madhyama, so the ahara should be Tikta, Madhura and Kashaya and Rasa. Food like rice, green gram, sugar, amlaki, patola, honey, Jangala Desha Mamsa along with Hamsodakapana is advised. Avoid Dadi, oil, Vasa and Divasupna. Now the viharas that can be followed during this time are based on the fact that Pitta is aggregated. So Tikta, Grida, Virechana and Rakta Mokshana can be done along with Lepa of Chandana, Ushira and Karpura. Okay, so that completes our 6 Ritus. Now let's talk about the Ritu Sandhi. Ritu Sandhi can be described as the first and the last 7 days of a season. During this time, the regimens that were followed in the previous season should be gradually discontinued and that of the new season should be gradually adopted. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below and let me know if you want any specific topics to be taken.